The pattern is the problem. Couples get stuck in patterns all the time and they don't know how to get out of it. And what this does is it creates a loop. Some people call it an infinity loop that just keeps going and going over and over, and it makes the relationship super unenjoyable and not very life-giving because you're stuck in something you don't want to. And that is the problem, the pattern. So how do you figure out what your pattern is as a couple? This is a quick way based on Sue Johnson's EFT to figure out what your pattern is. So let's say my wife and I got in an argument and I wanted to understand where we got stuck and how we drifted away from being able to solve our problem together. I would say the more I shut down, the more you raised your voice. The more you raised your voice, the more I left the room, and then we were stuck in our pattern. When you start interacting like that, you start doing things over and over. The problem is it pulls you further and further away, but really this pattern is the bad guy in your relationship. Everybody has individual responsibility for the things that they do or say, but it's this pattern that reinforces those unwanted behaviors. If you're in a marriage and you are stuck in a pattern you don't want to be in, this is a great way to start plotting out the steps of y'all's pattern in order to find a better way to relate and connect with each other.